How to deactivate Instagram account. In this video I will show you that, so let's begin. First of all, you just need to open your Instagram profile, just clicking on the bottom right corner your profile icon on your Instagram, and then click on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon, and then you just need to select account center. Right now select personal details, and then select account ownership and control. Right now select deactivation or deletion, and here you just need to select your Instagram profile. So here you can see I select it, and select deactivate account at the first option, and then select continue. So after that, here you just need to type your Instagram password, and then you just need to follow the next step, and then you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.